This information is not exhaustive. Please refer to the instructions for use of each device and to the technical manuals. Attention! Adequate technical training is essential. The family of ascenders by Climbing Technology includes several versions with different shapes and uses, compliant with EN 12841-B and EN 567 standards. All versions are compatible with dynamic and semi-static ropes. Permitted diameters and working loads change depending on the standard that applies and on the type of the rope being used. As an example, when using ropes with a diameter between 10 and 13 millimeters, the permitted working load is limited to 140 kilograms. Quick Up Plus is a right or left-handed handled ascender that features a co-molded ergonomic handle with a support for index finger that makes the ascending traction more effective. The installation of the device on the rope is easy, thanks to the opening lever of the cam that can be operated with one hand. The steel cam is effective in clamping the rope, but at the same time is able to protect it against wear, thanks to its special set of teeth. The cam also features 3 slots that help avoid the accumulation of dirt inside the device and ensure the smooth sliding on the rope, whatever the conditions. All Climbing Technology ascenders boast the patented Easy Release system. Through a simple movement of the hand, it is possible to unlock the cam and slide the device downward for a short distance. Quick Roll is a right or left-handed handled ascender provided with a pulley integrated on the back, which simplifies the ascent when used in combination with a self-braking descender such as Sparrow or Sparrow 200R. The absence of additional connectors makes the whole system less bulky and always ready for use. It is important to say that Quick Roll cannot be used to lift or lower people or loads. Ascender Simple Plus is a right-handed rope clamp ideal to create retrieval hoists. This device is a standard feature on Lifty and Lifty X6 hauling systems. Chest Ascender Plus is a ventral rope clamp ideal for ascending the rope. It is available in the HC version too, with special wear-proof hard coat anodizing. The device can be easily installed on the Axis QR harness through the dedicated fastening system. It is recommended to use it in combination with a handle descender. Moreover, Chest Ascender Plus is integrated into Ascender Kit Plus, which is compatible with most of the harnesses designed for working at height.